Alright, so I'm back. Had to delete the one video I tried to do because I got in the way of the combine by accident, and so yeah. So now I just parked up here, with the four-wheeler for the time being. So yeah. There goes a school bus in the distance. I'm pretty sure that's an Appleton bus. Might come flying by here. So anyway, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we'll just have to deal with it for the time being. Probably should have left the four-wheeler parked somewhere else. Probably by over my grandpa's brother's truck. That's where I should have parked it. So that way I wasn't in the way or anything. So yeah. Yep. There is beans all over the place over here. There's some green ones here. Weren't ready. So yeah. But yeah, we still got a long ways to go yet before we're done with any of this. Yeah. It's been a while since me or my brothers even did anything with beans, because they took too long, and we don't have a thrasher for beans. And I know, don't talk to me like I'm stupid, because I know combine usually is the one that thrashes all the beans, but I'm just saying, like, yeah, you know. So yeah. So Yeah. Yeah, way off over there. That's where they're at right now. We got all the way down there. We got a few passes left with the combine, the long rows, and then we're getting into some of the shorter ones that are near the terraces and stuff. So, yeah. But the last time, me and my brothers, when me and my brothers actually did do beans, we didn't finish until, we didn't finish until like, let's see here, we didn't finish until the week before we left for Clear Lake. So, yeah. Yeah, it feels like it's been forever since we've even done anything with beans. So we've always done everything with corn. And this field isn't even in corn this year, so, and it wouldn't have mattered anyway because you wouldn't have been able to find much out here. So, anyway, yeah. Yeah, but the sun is starting to set just a little bit. And it's starting to cool off a little bit too. So, yeah. Sorry about that, you guys. Didn't mean to sneeze. I had to, so that way clear my sinuses. But yeah. As you guys can see, yeah, there's some weeds that are coming up along in here. Big boy right there, some there, some little ones there, one right there. And yeah, there's a few beans, loose beans around. Not loose beans, but some beans that aren't even anywhere near ready. But anyway, so yeah, tell you what, that is some serious dust. Look at that. Yeah, now the combine's just in a complete dust cloud. You can hardly see where the tractor is. That is those are some of the dustiest beans we've ever seen, let alone even touched. Oh yeah. Look at that, a whole dust cloud of this rubbish. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.